Hi, we're here at the École des Entrepreneurs in Montreal. Louis-Nicolas, I've got a big question for you. What are the big advantages of synchronizing a CRM with QuickBooks?
There's many advantages. Obviously, when you have a database to manage all of your customers from a CRM perspective for sales and marketing, but then you have another database to manage all these same customers for your accounting, your billing, etc. It's just a waste of time. There's no collaboration between the different departments. You have to manage two databases. You may make mistakes. You may forget to bill some customers. When you're synchronizing both of these databases, obviously, the minute you close a deal in your CRM, accounting is notified, they can bill right away. There's no duplicate entry, there's no manual errors. It just makes a whole lot of sense.
It's absolutely a big advantage.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And thank you for watching our video. If you liked the video, please don't hesitate to follow us.